the emergency grant. It's painfully obvious to people, including there's an NCEA webinar, I think in like a day or two, that students are going to come back dysregulated. They have been sitting at home for months. And we found in the brief time that we finished school that we knew who some of our students were at risk before we left for break. We had created a number of different intervention plans, et cetera. And then that list grew when they went home. And honestly, we couldn't predict it. You know, it just, we'll say like, Michelle, suddenly you didn't have the structure you needed and you just couldn't hold it together. We could not have predicted that. You know, we just didn't know. Because you had always done well within the structure of the school day and all of the different supports we just put in daily. Then suddenly you're home. And so at one point we saw our risk numbers and we're like, whoa. So we had parent meetings and we said, you know, this is the time we're giving for people to get back to where they need to be. And then we'll work with you if we're still struggling. We had parent meetings where, you know, some of the parents just looked just wiped out. We're like, okay, so then we're going to do individual Zooms with your students. We're going to meet with them and plan certain things and set up kind of a structure for them. Because for some of our parents, they were home working. And so, and if they're working in like sensitive fields like healthcare and stuff, they actually have their kids at home and they have to go into another room and close the door. And then say, okay, kids, go do your work and help students. And so part of the reflection, part of the curriculum is, okay, if these are your values, how are the things you're doing helping you live your values? And then how can we help teach you how to live those values better? And so, this grant is huge for us because it allows us to develop values. It also allows us from day one, whether online, blended, or in class, to help begin to build skills that this distancing has sort of shined a spotlight on are lacking. And so we're just like, we're really excited about it. And we think it's sort of foundational to what we need to do.